Tasmanian man Stephen Roy Standage has been found guilty of 2 counts of murder in the state's longest-running murder trial. There were emotional scenes inside court as the 62-year-old was sentenced to a minimum of 24 years in jail for the crimes committed 14 years apart.
The Supreme Court trial lasting more than 5 months and hearing from over 180 witnesses. A verdict many family members thought would never come.
Stephen Standage is where he should have been a long, long time ago.
Friends and relatives of Ronald Jarvis and John Lewis Thorne cried, cheered and hugged one another as Stephen Roy Standage was sentenced to 48 years in prison with a minimum term of 24 years. Adam Thorne, who found his father's body in remote bushland in 2006, thanked Tasmanian police, but said the verdict was cold comfort.
It's good that there's an end to this part of the process, but yeah, we've all got a life sentence with certain things.
Justice Stephen Escort said both murders, 14 years apart, were premeditated and in cold blood. The jury had heard there were distinct similarities between the cases. Both men had been shot in the head, both had been dumped in remote bushland, and Stephen Roy Standage had been the last to see them alive. Standage won't be eligible for parole until 2034. Elizabeth Bryan, Sky News, at the Supreme Court in Hobart.